So guys, related to Realtek audio issues, so check the install driver version. Okay, so right click to Windows icon, means start icon, go to device manager, extract sound video game controller, and then right click to update search automatically, and then close it. If it is not update, any of you showing some error, so right click to properties, and then click to driver, and then click rollback driver. If the device failed after updating the driver, roll back previously install the driver. Okay, and then click it. Next guys, download latest driver of Realtek. Okay, so you can enter your motherboard, your system name, okay, and then type audio driver, so you can install easily. Okay, otherwise you have to suppose install latest version, so again go to device manager, and then old driver you have to uninstall. Right click to property, then device, and then click to uninstall. Okay, uninstall, and then guys again click this one, scan and hardware changes. Okay, and then again it is show, so right click to update driver, and then close it. So guys, download driver HP255G7. So open any browsers to Google search box to type like that, and guys go to this URL support.hp.com, right click to new tab, and then guys select Windows 10. If you are using Windows 11, so no worry, you just select driver download of Windows 10 and then install in Windows 11, so it will install. Okay, scroll down, we can see here the all driver. Then guys, extract audio driver, you can see here the audio driver, and try to install latest one. Okay, install any, just click to download. Now you can see here the one in progress, so wait few seconds. So guys, downloaded, just single click to setup, then click to yes. You can see here the audio driver. Next, next, I accept, then next. After that guys, restart your system.